Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about something more dangerous, that is the poison. There are too many poisons are there in the earth, but today we are going to focus on the top 10 deadly poison. So starting from the last 10 to the first in the increasing order of their poisoning characteristic. Let us start. I am Ujwala and welcome to our channel Science. From the 10th number, let us see the first one. It is compound 1080. Generally, it comes in our body through ingestion or inhalation, that is, through eating or through inhaling, means in our nose with the air. So, as an animal poison, compound 1080 proved a little too effective. The bodies of creatures killed with 1080 remain poisonous for up to a year. It is basically totally odorless, tasteless, water soluble, and without any antidote. So this point is more dangerous for this compound 1080. There is no cure, so there is no antidote. This 1080 blocks cellular metabolism first, and then it leading to a quick yet very painful death. So that is why it is more dangerous compound. Shifting towards number 9, it is amatoxin. Generally, through ingestion it comes in our body. It is a poisonous mushroom type. It derived from the death cap family of mushrooms. We know there are helpful mushroom also are there what we use in eating, but one more class is there which is generally very dangerous for ingestion. The amatoxin destroys your liver and kidneys over several days after the ingestion. You remain conscious and in excruciating pain until you slip into a coma or an expire. So it is very dangerous, gives you a painful death after steady living. Moving to number 8, that is strychnine, also known as Strychnus nux vomica. It is a type of plant family. It comes in contact through ingestion or inhalation. Through air, in inhalation it will come to our lungs, as well as maybe accidentally without knowing we may eat the plant ingredient. The strychnine is a common pesticide. Strychnine is not as toxic as other poisons on our list, but it gets style points for causing one of the most horrific death of all. You don't believe, but generally the strychnine causes every muscle in your body spasms violently until you die from exhaustion. So the pattern after eating this strychnine or may be given accidentally to any person, the person may feel too much muscular pain, and then after suffering for a lot more time, the person will be die with tedious pain. This is the molecular structure of the Strychnus nux vomica. Moving to the higher one, number 7. It is mercury. Yes, we all know this mercury. It may come in contact through inhalation with the air. Here the low levels of mercury are not especially toxic to adults because it is becoming little dilute. However, inhaled mercury vapor, that is the metal, starts turning to gas at room temperature. It attacks the brain and our lungs and shutting down the central nervous system. So whatever neurons and the nervous messaging pass through our nervous system will be stopped gradually, and then it will increase their effectiveness on our body, that is the poisoning. Shifting to number 6. it comes cyanide, very well known. It comes through our body via ingestion or inhalation, may be eaten by mistake or may be inhaled by air. The cyanide exists in a number of lethal forms that are present in nature or easily manufactured. So, from the ancient time, it is very well known. Here, exposure leading to seizures, cardiac arrest, and death within a minutes. So, after taking this cyanide, within a few minutes, your CNS, that is central nervous system, will get suppressed and you will go under coma or maybe lead to death. If I talk about the ancient time, earlier some of the spy or maybe some of the people of kings, they used to wear some type of ring or necklace consist of simple small stone that was nothing other than this cyanide. Whenever they get the idea that they may be arrested, then they will put their stone in their mouth. Within few seconds to minute they will die. Why? Because they had the cyanide in it. So that was about the cyanide. Now moving to number 5, which is this. It is tetrodotoxin. Comes in our body through ingestion. This is the molecular structure of tetrodotoxin. It is generally found in the organs of otter fish. Here, the famous Japanese delicacy fugu. The tetrodotoxin persists even after the fish is cooked. So generally, it is used for cooking purpose, and after fully cooked, it may not leave the ingredient, that is tetrodotoxin. If the toxin is consumed, the paralysis and death can be struck within 6 hours, and up to 5 Japanese die from badly prepared fugu every year. Then also they are not stopping to consuming this fish. Number 4. It is now comes sarin. Generally, through the vapor inhaled through our nose, it comes into our body. The sarin is one of the deadliest nerve gases, hundreds of times more toxic than cyanide. That is why it is more even in the number. Now, just one whiff and you will foam at the mouth, fall into a coma and die. So it is very accurate and it is very rapid. After taking, within a few seconds, you will be foaming and then you will meet with your dead part. Originally synthesized for use as a pesticide, it was outlawed as a warfare agent, that is 1997. So from very ancient and old time, it is coming as a major poison. Now comes number 3. It is anthrax. Generally, it is a bacterial cell which we can grow in the laboratory. Here, cutaneous exposure can kill, but the most deadly, panic-inspiring form of anthrax is inhaled. Obviously, if we have some of the contamination or contact on our skin, it is dangerous, but not as dangerous as if it comes in our contact through the air. It starts with flu that does not get better, then your respiratory system collapses completely. So from simple flu, where you don't consider like simple flu is there, but then after it will increase in their size, in their dominancy, and then after several time it will completely collapse and make your lungs working like none, and then you may fall, die. Coming to number 2. It is resin. Generally the seeds are ingested or inhaled. Here it made from the lowly castor bean. The resin causes respiratory and organ failure, followed by death within hours. So it is very dangerous. The seeds, when we chew it, Generally, the respiratory failure is the first process. One by one, the liver, kidney, and all other organs will get decrease in their function, and then suddenly they will stop, followed by the death within few hours to minutes. Even chewing a few beans can kill you instantly, because not the whole number of beans are required to be die, but here few seeds are also very much capable and efficient to get you to the death. Now comes number first, the most dangerous one, that is botulinum. Generally ingested because it is found in food. So when we eat something, we get contact with this botulinum. It is a bacteria. It is hard to rank the lethality of toxins, but experts agree that botulinum several orders of magnitude deadlier than sarin is a gold standard. Just think that scientists have given it the number gold standard, so the topmost number in the poisonity. Your nervous system fails and you die in extreme pain. The abdominal pain, the respiratory failure, heart collapse, liver failure, and too many more. It works miracles on wrinkles though. So here, the botulinum is the dangerous among the all type of poison. So this is how variety of poisons are there around us, in form of bacteria, in form of plant, in form of too many types of chemical. So we need to focus on them and we need to be careful. Thank you very much.